So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rate driver on DoorDash. So first of all, download the DoorDash app. After that, open it. Once you're logged in, you can see at the bottom home, pickup, grocery, browse, and me. You can see a search bar in the middle. So through here, you will need to order something. So let's go to the cart. After that, I click on continue. I create an order and it's going to be waiting for me on the me page. By opening up the me page in the bottom right corner, you can see orders, try dashboard, settings, profile, and rewards. Click on orders. Through here, you can see some of the orders that you made. It's going to be in a list. And through here, if it's a delivery, once you receive that delivery, you can choose the option rate next to the dasher's name. So the person that's given you, so the driver that gave you the delivery is called a dasher in this app. And through there you can just rate the dasher as poor, good, or great. So if you found the service useful, make sure that you give them this rating. So it's going to help out with their other dashes, and it's going to maybe give them some benefits from getting good feedback. So that's about it. It's going to be opened in orders. So once you do receive that delivery, you can give them a rating as poor, good, or great. And if you think the service was poor, don't be hesitant to provide feedback, since it's going to be useful to other people. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.